Welcome back. One element that Jasper has available is to be able to write a personal bio. And if you look to the personal bio area and template, you can click on personal bio. What you're going to need to do is to give Jasper some personal information. So once you write in your personal information, you're going to want to give Jasper a specific tone of voice. In this case, you'll need to give Jasper a point of view. You either want to write in first person or a third person point of view. You'll determine how many different outputs that you want, and once you have everything written in, you can then click Generate. And then Jasper will begin the creation process. Now, assuming that you don't necessarily like the output, you can add in additional elements, and you can change the voice. And for tone of voice, you can add in a specific persona if you think that persona matches the tone of voice that you want. Once you have new information in, you can then click Generate. And what you'll see is that Jasper will attempt to honor your choices by adding in your tone of voice and by giving 3 additional pieces of output. And as always, you can help Jasper to create in the future by upvoting and downvoting. You can then save a copy of the element that you want in your actual content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.